Now we will see the digital content creation tool. Although there are plenty number of tools available, one of the important web applications called TED-Ed will help us, or especially will help teachers to create a very good online lesson. TED.ed. TED-Ed is an online digital content which can be easily created by the teacher. So once the TED-Ed is discovered or installed, it's open in your computer, a screen will be appeared like this. There are 3 and 4 important things. Support is for that application side, but maximum 3 things have been sacrificed for developing digital content by the teachers. The first one is discover. So discover is nothing but while going to the discover, you can discover lesson series blogs. In the context of lesson, you can go for a number of lessons which is already available. Otherwise, you can go by searching a particular keyword, and here by dropping down to, you will get lot of subjects also for tracing or searching the prepared lessons already. So next to the digital, our job is to create digital content. Here student talk, educator talk, that is secondary, but now let's move to how to create a lesson by online. So go to TED-Ed, and edtech.com is the link name, I mean web address name, but the application name is TED-Ed. So once you have entered in, you can go to create and just go to a lesson. If you want to create a lesson, go to create. Now what type of keyword? For example, if you want to create a video, you have to make a particular keyword which you are going to make a lesson. For instance, now let me type the word leaf and just go on searching, which means that there are a number of lessons which already prepared, especially video prepared on that leaf can be taken. For example, if I don't want a leaf, you can go for a root also. A root. Like that, you can take any number of keyword which is related to the content which you are going to make for the sake of students. Now, just I will choose this particular YouTube. So once you are going in, it will be directly connected to YouTube. So after just you have to make a little play. If it is not being played, then continue option will not come. So after playing, you can go to click continue. You click continue. After, automatically in the TED lesson, just the video which you have opted will be definitely coming and saved. There are another 2 option is, if you want to change audio, you can click here and you can go back and get audio or video from YouTube, Vimeo or any other site. And crop video means the video exclusively you prepared for developing. This content can be dropped from your computer by cropping audio. So after these things, you can go to just get started. You can make let's begin. If you want to put your word, let the leaf only, or if you want to write your title, you can make your title. For example, the title name is leaf only. You can go for saving. After saving, then you can get started, where you can give some descriptions also. Let's begin. By here, introduce your lesson by few sentences. Now, this is the lesson about a leaf. Like that, you can give a sentence, maximum 3 something characters. After that, you can come to think. So, very important thing here is, next is a think option. While clicking a think option, there will two further options, multiple choice question and open-ended question. Open-ended questions, you know pretty well that it's a 2 mark, 5 mark, 10 mark, paragraph questions. So you can click a multiple choice question. So after opening this multiple choice question, you can type your question here. Venation is, yeah. After writing a title, just you can make your answer. Arrangement of veins in a leaf. Like that, just you can give your answer. This is an answer. You can give another answer. So, what is exact answer can be selected here. The irrelevant answer can be left. After doing over here, for example, if you can do that, and some hint also can be given at the particular placing cursor on the particular place. After that, you can go for a saving. So after saving, and automatically another questions can be added by giving a plus button. You can go for open-ended question also. Like that, you can post some questions to trigger the thinking of the students. After just giving over, dig deeper. The more and more information on the particular content can be given. For instance, you see that 7,500 characters can be inserted in this particular area. After giving insert, so you go for saving. After just going save, this dig deeper is the most important content of, because which is the area where more voluminous of information can be stored. So you mind importantly that you have to store more information on this area. After that, you can type here some of the discussion. So these discussions can be placed at most for 750 characters alone, and a description also 750 characters. After that, you can go for saving. So description also, it's an optional. You can go for saving. Then, and finally, if you want to give any conclusion, so hence the leaf is, like that you can add your conclusion for at most 980 characters. So totally 1000 characters. So after giving a save, so how to publish? So here is an option to publish your lesson. So after clicking the button publish, there are important options. Require students to use TechData account. If you want to your students to have this account, you can choose. If students not required to have an account, you can choose second button and share your lesson. Once just clicking the share your lesson, you will get a copy of lesson. For example, let me click the copying of that clipboard, and I am going to send. So this link can be sent through any mode of technique. There are some media to be shared, but most probably if you have an email, that email is very good. Email group is very good options to share that particular thinking very easily. So this is a sending options. For example, if you put so after that it will be sent. So send again, like that it will ask Now, after sending, how to make students to get connected. This is a creation of lesson. Next, once the students get connected by a link, for instance, I will go to the another page. I have copied a link already, which I am just copying. By another page, what lesson just we prepared, it has come. Lesson organized by Ramnath, just so this video, everything, what questions we prepared, everything would come. After that, students watching. But here, this is a host. By going to manage a lesson, once the students doing some activity, the teacher could trace here that informations, how much students have viewed, how much students have answered to the discussion question, how much students have read, everything can be managed. So like that, these applications can be very well used for developing a digital content.